was that 20.
I want you to see this like this. Number 5 is a special one, and I'm thinking it's going to be an interference powder, but you can see this is more clumpy than the other usual ones, so we're going to have to take a little more time combining this. Next time I will be sure to set this aside and mix it with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. It will really break down the powder better, and then you mix it into your resin. But let's see what we have, because this changes colors in sunlight. I can't wait to see what it is. What do you think it is? Leave me a comment. Okay, y'all, this is number 5. I've got it mixed in. You saw the powder was very white. I tried holding this in the sunlight. I did not get a color change. So we're gonna pour this, and then whatever I have left over, I'm putting in the snake. So we're gonna see what happens when I pour any leftover in that snake. But let's get our domino poured first. And after it cures, we're gonna see what we have. Okay, that is number 5. And I can't tell right now what it is. Y'all, this is pretty exciting. Alright, let's pour the rest on my snake and see what happens. Y'all, I'm pouring it. I'm gonna move this out of the way. I'm pouring it over this blue. Let's see. No, it's sinking down. So I'm guessing it's a heavier pigment. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of the glow in the dark. I'm wondering if that's what happens. And I don't have my blue light. I'm gonna grab that in a minute. Let's see if a blue light changes it. That will mean it's a glow in the dark, y'all. Because I don't see, it's not an interference. Okay, I gotta go get my blue light. I put my blue light on. Look, I'm gonna show you here. I put my blue light on. It's a glow in the dark. Watch. This is pretty cool. Look at that, y'all. And you can see I didn't mix it completely. This is one we're gonna have to break down with alcohol. But look at that change. Wow, this is gonna be fun to play with. Cool. Okay, that's all we have for the first 5 colors out of the Advent color. Wow, I'm so amazed by this reaction that I can't talk. That's the first 5, and I got this extra, so this is just her regular Baba Blue, because I needed a really good blue. So that's not in the Advent calendar. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Our first 5 colors we have taken a peek at, and they are gorgeous. So there you have it, y'all. And this is so freaking cool. How crazy is that? Alright, so there you have it. And I'm pouring any leftovers into our little snake here. So we're going to have a little fun Mod Podge there. Of brand new, never before seen colors. These are Dianka's from Dianka Pours 2026 preview of what colors are coming. They are homeless and nameless. We've got to figure out some names. Until next time, y'all, see you in a few. Ta-ta for now.